Thank you all for coming here. My name is Akash Kumar. I am going to be speech to you today about Kamarajar's most notable achievements like in his contribution to the education. One of his key introduced midday meal scheme, providing free meals to school children. Kamarajar was awarded the Bharat Ratna after his death in 1976. Kamarajar is mostly known as Kalvi Tandar. Father is education is Tamil Nadu. The location terminator of the Chennai Airport. Kamarajar terminator. Marina Beach Road is Chennai was named Kamarajar Salai. He was the third Chief Minister of the state of Madurai, Tamil Nadu from 1954 to 1963 and Lok Sabha from 1952 to 1954 and from 1969 to 1975. So he is greatest king maker of Tamil Nadu. Thank you to all.